So I know you were able to get this to work, this challenge, trivia challenge that I gave you. If not, no worries, here is the solution. Now remember also that in programming, the beauty of programming is that there's always many ways to solve the same problem. So if the solution that you came up with doesn't look exactly like mine, no problem. As long as it works and more or less follows the best practices, then that is totally fine. Okay, let's go ahead and get this done. So we're gonna add a new button here at the bottom. So I'm gonna just drag and drop a button there. All right, I'm gonna put it right and left. There we go. So our button is there. I'm gonna say share button like that. Very good. And I'm gonna give it text different than that, of course. Let's go say string share btn. There we go, share. And while I'm here, how about give it a background color, just to make it all the same. Very good. So we have our share button there. Gonna save and give it a quick run just to make sure. There we go. There is our share button. Very good. Not too bad. All right, so back to our main activity here at the top. We're gonna go ahead and just create a private button, share button. Very good. Just right about here, share button. All right, so now we're gonna just go ahead and say here, share button that's set on click. Just pass this because we know that our set on click listener is going to be listening because we implemented the on click listener, which means we should go inside of our on click and then create another case here. So case r.id.share. In this case here, I'm going to break. But before we even do that, we are going to do some coding here. So I'm going to say here, share button logic. Very good. So we have that there. What we need to do is very simple. In fact, I'm going to create a method here called private share score like this. It's got a private void. Okay, so what are the things that we're going to do? Well, first of all, we're going to create an intent like we did before. So I'm going to say intent like that is equal to new intent, and I'm going to say intent dot send like that. Very good. And then I'm going to make the type intent dot set type. It's going to be just text plain. Okay, and then I'm going to say intent dot put extra. I want intent dot subject. I want it to be, I'm going to say here, I am playing trivia. Doesn't matter what we say there. Okay, I'm going to say intent that put extra intent. I want the actual text that would say what? Well, the text is going to be something a little bit more elaborate here. First of all, I want to go ahead and create a string here at the top, which is going to be message. And this message will say something like this. So my current score is, I'm going to go ahead and add, say current score dot get score. Okay. And I'm going to say plus like this, and my highest score is, I'm going to use the prefs dot get high score like that. Very good. And that is the message I'm going to be sending here, message like that. Okay. And of course, I'm going to say start activity. I'm going to pass our intent. All right. And this share score, we're going to call right here. Okay. Let's see if this works. Save and give a run here. See, it doesn't take that long. There we go. Let's click share. Voila. I'm going to say, and look at that. My current score is 0 and my high score is 1500. There we go. At this point here, we know that we are away from our app. Now we're using the Gmail application here. We can put the person we want to send to, and voila, life is good. Everything is going to work. All right. Okay, so that's it. That's all that we needed to do. And of course, this message here, we can do all sort of things. We can make it in HTML. We can make, there's so many things we can do here. Just want to make sure that you were able to get to this point here. Well, if you did, congratulations. If not, no worries. Go back and rewatch the videos and figure this out. Shouldn't be that hard. All right, I'll see you next.